The ultraviolet index forecast for June 7th is 9, or very high. This is the National Weather Service office in Fort Worth. The preceding signal was a test of the public warning system for weather radio station KWN34. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers can be automatically activated by the signal to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of the signal and receiver's performance are normally conducted by the National Weather Service each Wednesday between 10 a.m. and noon and between 6.
Sorry about that interruption, but someone called me. The counties covering KWN34 are Anderson, Cherokee, Freestone, Henderson, Houston, Leon, and Navarro counties. This will conclude the test of KWN34.